Hello everyone, this is MOLY. MOLY is Lido's own MCP server which is used for AI agents and humans to interact with Lido tools using MCPs. Now let's understand what actually Lido does. What Lido provides you are CLI packages and an MCP streamable endpoint with which you can connect your cloud code, any desktop agent or configure or spin up your own agent to do actions on Lido. Now let's try to see the docs of MCP server. We have pretty simple explanation here. You are just going to install all these commands on your cloud code, connect your MCP server, and then you'll have an interface with which you can do anything, and I mean anything with Lido, which I can possibly think of. There are many tools to stake, to withdraw, to get summary, to get proposal, to read, to write, to do governance, to bridge. We have also have inbuilt bridging for users who are bridging their SE from base and Arbitrum to Ethereum mainnet using Lido, using Li-Fi. And we have many interesting tools. We have a get bounce tool, we have an alerts tool where you can set up your own alert on Telegram. I think I'm boring you, so let's try to understand it using examples. Let's first install it. npx MOLY mcp/lido latest. Let's go. So the thing is, very interesting thing that we have used OWS Open Wallet Standard is considerably the safest and securest way to store your private keys inside your terminal so that it is never seen by anyone outside. So let's try to use MOLY testnet here. We provide our own RPCs if you enter here, or you can add up your own RPCs. That's totally up to you. Let's do the live mode for now. If you are the first time, you will have to configure your own OWS wallet. But since I've already done it, I'm going to go with MOLY. I'm going to get the passphrase. So these are all OWS commands which are used for the security of your own wallet. Like let's choose Open Router. You can choose any AI provider that you want. I'm choosing Open Router. It's easy for me. Let's enter the API key. Please don't copy my API key. I suggest you all. There are multiple models. You can add up your own model, but I'm going to go with the free model. And I'm going to open MOLY environment. If it's your first time, I highly suggest you to open the MOLY environment to get things going right. Let's configure the MOLY environment and yeah, what? We are going to get it to do everything that's in the book, right? And so now what tools do you have? It literally has so many tools to use, and I've given you an agent so that you can all use all these tools very safely, very securely using the OWS wallet inside your terminal and within your agent. Now let's take 0.1. Now if let's say you typed here that your ST is in base or Arbitrum, what you can do is you can just say that stake 0.1 ETH on mainnet from the ST which is on Arbitrum. Then instead I'm going to use the Li-Fi SDK to bridge your money, but it only works on mainnet, so it won't work for now since I'm on the MOLY testnet. As you can see, we also have a dry run option. Currently dry run is false. If it were true, then you will see the dry run of it, the gas used, the status, the amount which is going to be sent. So there's dry run for every action available, but for currently we are live, so let's enjoy that, right? Okay, so transaction was successful. Let's do more things. Let's set up alerts, right? Let's set alerts. Now interesting things going to happen, right? Let's set up alerts. Okay, so yeah, I want my. You can do anything here, as I said. Let's do balance below 0.5 in ETH. Let's go with that, and I would like to set a Telegram alert. Okay. It's pretty easy because we have given it a very simple UI interface to use. The MCP server to use it is very easy. And one more thing, in the dashboard here, in the main page, what you have is a very small dashboard, which is only for simulation. Now you'll have to read this first before coming here. That this is just going to be for simulation. There's no connection of private key and write tools here because I thought that streamable MCP servers for this is currently not safe since private keys are used. It's on Ethereum mainnet, and that is the reason we have given too much effect on safety. That's why we have used OWS for it. So yeah, this is a dashboard where you can test all the tools out, which is available inside our MOLY MCP server. And here is the terminal which is actually working right now. It has set up the alert on the channel Telegram. So if the price goes below 0.5 ETH, it's actually going to set up alert. Don't tension it. We have already configured our Telegram bot, so it's straight up going there, right? And this was the terminal which can actually perform any operations you have inside the model, or you can also write MOLY and then proceed with writing the name of the tool and then write whatever operations that you have. So, well, guys, this was MOLY, the MCP server built completely on Lido, exposing 28 tools plus bridging multi-chain, staking, and build on OWS encryption keyword standard so that your keys never leave your monitor and terminals. Thank you guys, this was Devik Maheshwari. And one more thing, we also have a pretty cool package. I suggest that if you are using it, please download it globally so that all the tools work perfectly, and please configure it correctly the first time and enter the right open router key if you are using it. Thank you. This was MOLY. Thank you very much.